This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So the GLB 350 4Matic, how fast was it? Well, according to spec, 5.3 seconds, and then it's 5.2, so more or less on spec. It's kind of heavy though, so that's maybe why, but yeah, and compared to the CLA, which also has the exact same drivetrain, same battery and same motor, the CLA was lighter. See, same horsepower, so that's why it was a lot faster. And then compared to the bigger brother, the GLC, then it was 4 seconds. So well, that's more horsepower, a lot more, even though it's heavier. And then what is one car? What about the EQB, like the old, one? Well, I never tested it, so okay, whatever. And then when it comes to noise, the GLB did it fairly well. It's on place number 34 here, down here. And then of course, as expected, the GLC was quieter, even though it had even 20-inch wheels, but this is nice and quiet, place number 10. But what about the CLA, which has the same, again, drivetrain, right? Well, I don't know what's up with that, but the CLA was remarkably noisy. Also 19-inch wheels, Michelin E Primacy. And, okay, it was a weird combo, front and rear axle didn't have the same tires. But okay, whatever, so just as in comparison, so the CLA, but maybe the CLA, A and then B is better, right? And then C is the best. Yeah, it's not how the whole Mercedes hierarchy works. But I mean, overall, okay, this is not as expensive as the GLC, but still performs well. So that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.